Afternoon. He's special because he's the Irish Consul General.
Mayor Tartan, thanks for welcoming us all back to this wonderful part of the world. It's great to see. On the way down, I was worried you'd have some Scottish and Irish weather here today, but you pulled the South Carolina weather out of the bag, which is good to see. I just wanted to say it's a real honour to be here again and to just congratulate Donovan and John on the remarkable job they've done with this festival. It's an easy part of the world here to be an Irishman. And I'm sure it's the same for Scots men and Scots women. It's an easy part of the world. And that doesn't come lightly. It's no coincidence. It's because of the incredible work that generations of people from Ireland and of Irish, Scots-Irish and Scottish descent have done in creating remarkable goodwill towards Ireland and Scotland here in this part of the world. We're deeply grateful for that. These incredible pioneers who came over here in an era before jet travel or before anything that makes it so easy nowadays. And they fostered such incredible goodwill through their games, through their culture, through their music, through their heritage. And that's why it's so great to see all of that celebrated here today so remarkably. And I just want to congratulate Donovan and John and groups like our own Hibernians here today who do such great good work to celebrate all those things here today and to keep all those things alive so well. I'm also delighted that we've got a couple of our hurling teams from the Carolinas here to put on an exhibition game for you in about half an hour, I think, and I hope some of you get to see that game. Hurling is a remarkable game. It's the fastest field sport in the world, and I hope some of you get to enjoy it. It's been described as Braveheart with sticks, which is...
Oh boy. Oh boy.